So yesterday we have discussed about some of the types of operator: relational operator, assignment operator, comma operator, increment operator, decrement operator. So these are the operator we have discussed along with bitwise operator. So in this bitwise operator, again it is divided into bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift, bitwise XOR, and bitwise ones complement. Bitwise ones complement. Yes, yesterday we have seen bitwise AND and bitwise OR. So now we shall discuss with the bitwise XOR operator. Bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR operator. The bitwise XOR operator. Bitwise XOR operator result is 1. The result is 1 when both the bits are not same. Both the bits are not same. The bitwise XOR result is 0 when both the bits are same. When both the bits are same. So truth table for bitwise operator. Truth table. So bit 1 and this is bit 0. Bit 1, bit 0. Now result is equal to bit 1 XOR bit 0. The notation for XOR is like this: bit 0. Now what are the possibilities are there? 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So these are the 4 possibilities are there when we consider 2 bits. Now 0 0, 0 0. Are the bits are same? Yes. 0 and 0 are same. When the bits are same, the result is 0. 0 1. This is 0, this is 1. So they are not same. When the bits are not same, the result is 1. The bitwise XOR operator result is 1 when both the bits are not same. When both the bits are not equal. So here 1 0. They are not equal. 1 0. Since they are not equal, the result of the bitwise XOR operator is 1. Now 1 1. 1 1. So 1 is equal to 1. They are same. When both the bits are same, the result of the bitwise XOR result will be 0. When both the bits are same, result is 0. When both the bits are different, the result is 1. Now we shall see some examples. Now example 1. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 12. C is equal to A XOR B. What is the value of C? C is equal to A XOR B. What is the value of C? Now, so we are discussing bitwise operator. So we need to convert the decimal number into binary numbers. Now, what is 5? How 5 is represented in binary? 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. If you divide the decimal number by 2, now 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. So, decimal 5 is equal to 101 in binary. That we have discussed yesterday also, how to convert the decimal number into binary number. Now, the next number is 12. So, what is the binary value of 12? 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. So, decimal value of 12 is equal to 1100 in binary. This we have seen yesterday, how to convert the decimal number into binary number. Now the question is, if assume A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 12. Now what is the value of C? Now what is A? A is 101. What is B? B is 1100. Here nothing is there means write 0. Now what we are doing? XOR. XOR. Now, according to the truth table of XOR, when both the bits are same, result is 0. When both the bits are different, result is 1. Now 1 0, they are different. Different means 1. 0 0, same. Same means 0. 1 1. 1 1, same means 0. 0 1, they are different. Different means 1. So this is the output in the binary. This is the output in the binary. Now what is the decimal equivalent of 1001? So 1 0 0 1 multiplied by 2 power 0 multiplied by 2 power 1 multiplied by 2 power 2 multiplied by 2 power 3. Now add all these numbers.
9.
Add all these numbers. Now 2 power 3 is 8. 8 into 1 is 8. Anything 0 into anything is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So 2 power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. So we say that C is equal to 5 XOR 12 is C is equal to 9. This is the final value we will get when we convert this problem into program in the computer. We will see the value 9. I will show all the problems, whatever the problems we discussed, I have written on the board, that can be converted into a program. So in this, anybody having any doubt? Only thing
No,
is,
sir.
we need to convert it to binary. If both the bits are different, 1. If both the bits are same, 0. If both the bits are same, 0. Different, 1. Now since this is in the binary, we need to convert it to decimal. So how to convert binary into decimal? Multiply by 2 power. This is the least significant bit. So we will multiply with 2 power 0, 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, and this is the decimal value. Now A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 13. Second example, C is equal to A XOR B. You do this one and tell me the answer for C. What is the answer for C? A is 7, B is 13. What is the value for C? You take the pen, paper, solve the problem and tell me the answer. What you are getting for C? C value. Anybody completed? Anybody?
10, sir.
Please,
10, sir.
10. Everybody got 10 only?
Yes,
Now we
sir.
can see. 7.
Yes, sir.
What is 7? 7 means 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. What is 13? 13 means 8 plus 4 plus 1. 8 plus 4 plus 1. Why this is 8? Because 2 power 3. This is 2 power 2. This is 2 power 1. This is 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 1 is into 2 power 2 into 2 power 3. Are you getting? I am writing binary value directly. Now, nothing is there means 0. XOR. Same, result is 0. Different, result is 1. Same, result is 0. Different, result is 1. Result is 1. Now, convert that one into decimal. 1 0 1 0 into 2 power 0 into 2 power 1 into 2 power 2 into 2 power 3. 8 plus 0 into anything is 0 plus 2 power 1 2 plus 0 into anything is 0. So 8 plus 2 is 10. Yes, your answer is correct. So 7 XOR 13, the value is 10. 7 XOR 13 is the value is 10. Now, clear everybody? Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the next operator? What is the next bitwise operator?
Bitwise
Where is the
left
left
shift.
shift?
Left shift.
Bitwise left. Bitwise left shift, it is noted by 2 lesser than symbol. 2 lesser than symbol. 2 lesser than symbol. Now, if this is the memory, this is the memory. Say that A is equal to 5. What is the binary value for 5? Binary value for 5 is 101. 101. Say that we have stored 101 at this point. 101. 101. 100. Here nothing is there means they will contain 0. We are not considering that 0. 101. 101. When you shift left side 1 bit, this will come here, this will come here, this will come here. 101. Left side. How many times you have shifted? 1 time. Here nothing is there means write 0. Nothing is there means write 0. So if you shift 1 time, the result has become 1010. 1010. What is the decimal value for 1010?
10.
1010 decimal value is 10. Decimal value is 10. Now, 5 is shifted 1 time left side. Now, 5 is shifted 2 times left side means this 1 will come here, this 0 will come here, this 1 will come here, this 0 will come here. Nothing is there means 0. That means what we have got? 10100 we have got. This is the binary. What is the decimal value? What is the decimal value for 10100?
18.
18.
20.
Yes, it is 20, not 18. Only you multiply 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 power 2 means 4. 2 power 3, 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 16 plus 4 is 20. When you shift to 5 left side 1 time, you are getting 10. When you shift 5 2 times, you are getting 20. When you shift 5 times, left side 3 times, this 1 will come here, this 0 will come here, this 1 will come here, this 0 will come here, this 0 will come here. Here nothing remaining means add 0. Now, what is the value of that one? 1 0 1 0 0 0. What is the decimal value?
40.
Decimal value is 40. See here. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. What is 2 power 3? 2 power 3 is nothing but 8. 2 power 4, 2 power 5. 2 power 5 means 32. 32 plus 8 means 40. So you are getting 40. You are getting 40. Now, if I shift 4 times, then what will be the result? Can anybody tell?
80.
80. Yes, correct. So, every time when we shift left side by 1 bit, the result will be doubled. The result will be doubled. When you shift 2 times, this result will become double. When you shift 3 times, this result will become double. When you shift 4 times, it will become 80. When you shift 5 times, this will become 160. So, in general, if a number x is shifted towards left by n bits, then result will be equal to x into 2 power n. Result equal to x into 2 power n. X into 2 power n. So here x is a number. X is any number is shifted towards left by n bits. N is the number of times you are shifting towards left side. Then the result will be x into 2 power n. Like for example, here I will consider x as 5. Here example, x is equal to 5, n is equal to 3. You are shifting towards left 3 times. Then the result is equal to x into 2 power 3. What is x? X is 5. X into 2 power n. 5 into 2 power 3. 5 into 8. What is 5 into 8? 5 is 40. So 1 time you have got 10. 2 times you have got 20. 3 times you have got 40. So in general, this is the given number. N is the number of bits to be x into 2 power n. Getting everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So either you can use this approach or you can use this formula. Both are same. You will get the same answer. Now, the definition for bitwise left shift. If x is any given number, and n is the number of bits to be shifted towards left, then the result will be equal to x into 2 power n. So this is the definition for bitwise left shift. So either you can use this memory diagram approach or you can directly use the formula. Understood everybody? Understood? Has everybody understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we shall see one more example, whether it will work for other numbers or not. Now, example 1. Fifth number 18, 8 towards left by 2 bits. 2 bits. 2 bits. That means x is equal to 8, n is equal to 2. X is equal to 8, n is equal to 2. The result is equal to x into 2 power n. X is 8, 8 into 2 power 2, 8 into 4. What is 8 into 4? 32. 32. Now, here I have used the formula, x into 2 power n. Now, without formula, so what is 8? What is 8 in binary? How 8 is represented?
1 0 0.
1 0 0 0. 3 zeros. So here how many times we are shifting? Left shift by 2 bits. So one time left shift. So here nothing is there means add 0. 2 times. Here nothing is there means add 0. So 0 0 we have got. We have got 1 0 0 0 0 0. Now, what is the decimal value? 1 0 0 0 0 0 into 2 power 0 into 2 power 1 into 2 power 2 into 2 power 3 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 5. Now add all these numbers. Add all these numbers. What is 2 power 5? 32. 0 into anything is 0. 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 So what is the result we have got? We have got 32. So we can use either formula or we can use the memory representation. We will get the same answer. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now, we shall discuss bitwise right shift. What is the next operator? Right shift. Right shift. The symbol is greater than greater than. 2 times greater than if you write, then it will become bitwise right shift. Bitwise right shift. Now I'll erase this one. Bitwise right. Now, again first we shall see with the diagram. A is equal to 5. How it is represented in memory? 1 0 1. So this is the memory diagram. We shall take some bigger number. A is equal to 20. How 20 is represented? How 20 is represented? In binary?
1 0 1 0 0.
1 0 1 0 0. So 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 plus 4, 20. So this is the binary equivalent of decimal number 20. Now I will write this one in memory. So this is the binary 20, binary value 20. Now right shift. So one time you right shift means this will go outside. This will go outside. You should ignore this bit. This bit will come here. 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 The result will be 1010. The result will be 1010. So what is 1010 in binary, in decimal?
10.
Yes, it is 10. So one time we have left shifted, the result has become 10. If you do two times means again you remove this bit. So this one will come here, this one will come here, this one will come here. So the result is 101. So what is the decimal value of 101?
5.
Yes, 101 is 5. Now if I do 3 times, so you should ignore this bit also. Now this one will come here, this one will come here. Now what is the binary value of 10?
2.
Decimal value of 10?
2.
Yes, 2. Yes, 2. Now, can you tell the general formula? Like 20 has become 10, 10 has become 5, 5 has become 2, 2 will become 1. That means, if you shift one more time, this 0 will go outside, this 1 will come here. What is the binary value, decimal value of 1? Decimal value of 1 is 1. Can you tell the general formula?
A by 2.
Divided by 2 power n. X divided by 2 power n.
Yes, correct. X divided by 2 power n. So the definition is, if x is any given number and n is the number of bits to be shifted towards right. Shifted towards right. Shifted towards right. Then the result will be equal to x divided by 2 power n. X divided by 2 power n. Now we shall see with an example. Erase this one. Now, example 1. Example 1. Right shift 20 by 2 bits towards right. One second. Right shift 20 by 2 bits. Right shift 20 by 2 bits. So now x is equal to 20, n is equal to 2. Result is equal to x by 2 power n. X is 20, 20 by 2 power 2. 20 by 4. 20 by 4 is nothing but 5. Do you see that 20 by 4 is 5? So this is according to the formula. According to the formula. Now what is 20? Binary representation of 20 is this one, right? 10100. 4 plus 16. It is 20. Now right shift towards right shift 20 by 2 bits. Right shift 20 by 2 bits. 2 bits means you just remove these 2 bits. What is the value? 101. What is the 101 value? 101 value is nothing but 5. 101 value is nothing but 5. So when you want to shift towards left, add 0. When you shift towards right, delete the right bit. We shall see one more example.
Sir, once do the sum in memory form, sir.
Okay. I will take another example. Right shift by 3 bits. Right shift 45 by 3 bits. So x is equal to 45, n is equal to 3. Result is equal to 45 by 3. What is 45 by 3? What is 45 by 3?
Sir, 2 power 3.
One second, sorry. 2 power n, 2 power 3. 45 by 8. What is 45 by 8?
5.
5.
5.8.
Now you should not take 5 point because this bitwise operators will work only on integer numbers.
Okay.
Only on integer numbers. So you have to take only integer value, not the decimal value. 45 by 8 is 5.
We should round off, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
5. Now we shall see with the memory diagram. Now what is 45? 45. Convert 45 into binary. If you are not able to write directly, then use this division rule. 2 22s are remainder 1, 2 11s are remainder 2, remainder 0, 2 5s are remainder 1, 2 2s are remainder 1, 2 1s are remainder 0. When you get 1, stop here. Now 45 decimal is equal to 101101 in the binary. Binary means base 2. Now I will arrange this one. Memory 101101. So this is the memory diagram. Now 1 time shifted, that means remove that bit. This one will come here, 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 this one will come here. Now 3 times we are shifting, right? So 2 times, remove this one. This one will come here, this one will come here, this one will come here, this one will come here. We are doing 3 times. Remove this bit. This one will come here, this one will come here, this one will come here. So what is our final answer? The final answer is 101. The final answer is 101. What is 101 in binary? In decimal? In decimal it is 5. So whatever the answer we got by using the formula, we have got the same answer by using the memory diagram. So bitwise right shift. If you want to use memory diagram, just delete these three digits. Delete these 3 digits. What is remaining? 101. 101 is nothing but decimal 5. When you are shifting towards left, like for example, 1010, this is 10. If you want to shift towards left by 1 bit, add 0. 2 times, add 0. Left shift means add 0. Right shift means delete the bits. How many times? How many bits you want to shift towards right? Clear, everybody? Left shift and right shift. Yes, clear? Or one more problem?
Yes, sir.
One more problem?
It's clear, sir.
Cleared or one more problem?
Clear,
Clear.
Clear, sir.
Clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is the next operator?
Bitwise 1's complement.
Bitwise 1 complement. It is written like this. Bitwise 1's complement. 1's complement. Bit given number. The bits of a given number are change from 1 to 0. 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. 0 to 1. So bitwise 1's complement. The symbol is this one, tilde. We call this one as tilde. Tilde, tilde. So this is present here. Above the tab, one button is there. You have to press shift and that button. Tilde operator, tilde, tilde. Now, the bits of a given number are changed from ones to zeros and zeros to 1. Zeros to 1. That is nothing but 1's complement. 1's complement. But whatever the definition is there, the problems are not that much simple. Here we are saying that zeros are converted to ones are converted into zeros. Like for example, this is a binary number. Say that. Now, what is the 1's complement? Like this we will write. But this is not the answer what you get in the computer. Computer will get differently. But the definition we are telling that just zeros are converted to 1, ones are changed to 0. But the computer answer will be different. We shall see with the problem. Now see the problem carefully, because this is one of the confusing topic. 1's complement is one of the very much confusing topic. But the definition just says that zeros are converted into ones are converted into zeros. But the computer will not give like that kind of answer. Now we shall see with example problem. Example 1. Convert decimal 5 into 1's complement. Convert decimal 5 into 1's complement. Listen carefully. This is very much confusing topic. Now 5. What is the binary value of 5? Binary value of 5 is 101. This is the binary value of 5. 101. This is the binary value of 5. Now, usually we will take 8 bits or 16 bits. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. We call like this. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 16 bits is equal to 1 word. 16 bits is equal to 1 word. So usually the computer will consider 8 bits or 16 bits. 8 bits or 16 bits. So now, for example, if I ask what is the memory capacity, what is the RAM capacity in your phone, what you will tell? 4 GB RAM or 8 GB
6
RAM?
GB.
6 GB like that. GB. B means byte. Gigabyte. So usually whatever not by using bytes only. Byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Like in computer also, in laptop, what is the hard disk capacity? Hard disk capacity might be 500 GB or 1 TB or 2 TB, like that. B means byte. B means byte. B means byte. So 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 16 bits is equal to 1 word. 16 bits is equal to 1 word. Now. 1000 bytes. 1000 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1000 bytes. 1000 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte. Now for type, we consider this byte means 8 bits. 8 bits. So here I have written only 3 now. Now I will make this one as 8 bits by adding zeros before. Alright? Now 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So see carefully, this is one of the confusing topics. What is the definition? According to the definition, it is very simple. Zeros are converted to ones, ones are converted into zeros. But the computer will not give like that kind of answer. Now this is the 8 bits I have written. 8 bits. 101 I have converted into 1 byte. Byte I have taken as 8 bits. You can take 16 also. You can take 32 also. But minimum should be 8. 8 bits. Now convert this 1 zeros into 1, ones into zeros. Now what will become? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the value we have got, right? This is the value we have got. This is the value we have got. Now, the answer is not this one. Now, yesterday I said that this is LSB, least significant bit. This is MSB, most significant bit. Now, according to the computer, if MSB is 1, if MSB is bit 1, then it is a negative number. Then it is a negative number. Then it is a negative number. Up to here understood? Up to here understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the ones which are on the left are called MSB, sir.
MSB, most significant bit. Most significant bit. This is least significant bit. Least, this is most. Now, if MSB bit is 1, then it is a negative number. It is a negative number. Now, negative numbers are stored in memory in 2's complement form. 2's complement form. Now, since here it is 1 means we come to know that it is a negative number. But negative numbers, they are not directly stored. Negative numbers are stored in memory as 2's complement form. But what is 2's complement? We are discussing 1's complement. Now, the computer will store the negative numbers in the form of 2's complement. Now, up to here understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Since MSB is 1, it is a negative number. But negative numbers are not directly stored in memory. They are stored in the 2's complement form. Now we can convert this one into 2's complement form. I will erase this one. Now what is 2's complement? Now this is the number now. This is the negative number. Negative number 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the number we have got. This is the negative number. Now I will convert into 2's complement form. Now, what is 2's complement? 2's complement means convert this one into 1's complement, then add 1. That means 1's are converted to zeros, 1's are converted to zeros, zeros are converted into 1. What is this? This is 1's complement. According to the definition, 1's are converted to zeros, zeros are converted into 1. But we need to convert this one into 2's complement, not 1's complement. This is 1's complement. Then you have to add 1. You have to add 1. What is 1 plus 1? What is 1 plus 1? What is 1 plus 1?
7.
1 plus 1?
Binary there.
As binary representation. 1 plus 1?
7. 3.
2. 1 plus 1 is 2.
Yes, sir. In binary 2.
In binary, how you represent 2?
10.
Yes, 1 0. So 0 carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Here nothing is there means to write the remaining numbers as it is. So this is the 2's complement form. This is the 2's complement form. Now this is in binary. This is in binary. What is the decimal value of this one? This is 2's complement. 2's complement. 2's complement of this number. Now, this is the binary value. What is the decimal value this one? What is 110?
6.
110 is nothing but 6. 110 is nothing but 6. Now, given question 5. We need to convert 5 into 1's complement. When we have converted into 1's complement, we have got this here the MSB as 1. Because this MSB is 1, that's why we need to convert this one into 2's complement, because the computer will store the negative numbers in the form of 2's complement. When we have converted this one into 2's complement, we have got the answer 6. But which number we have converted? This number we have converted. So we will write like this: 1's complement of 5 is nothing but minus 6. Minus 6. Negative number. It is a negative number. We have got the answer 6. So you have to write this 1's complement of 5. We have got minus 6. This is the answer. Still confusion or understood?
Sir, but
Yes.
if we take only 4 bits one, in that if we have a MSB as 1, I
Okay.
mean, what about that number?
Here, this is also a negative number. How many bits you have to? You have to take 8, 16 like that. If you have taken only 4, like I will erase this one. So now 0101 is converted into 1010. Since this is 1, same process. Why we take 8 bits means if the number is large, then we have to take 8 bits. If the number is very much large than 8 bits, then we have to consider 16 bits. So since 8 bits is called 1 byte, so usually we will take 8 bits. If you solve this problem, since this is a smaller number, here also we will get minus 6 only. If the number is, like for example, if the number is 16, what is 16? This is 16. 100, 00 is 6. Now you cannot take 4 bits, right? Now you have to take 8 bits. If the number is more than 8 bits, then you have to consider 16 bits. Clear, everybody?
Sir, 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. How you write 2? 2 in binary. 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. So 2 decimal is equal to 10 in binary. 10.
Yes.
So 0 carry 1. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 0 0 0 0 0. So once again, so we started with convert decimal number 5 into 1's complement. Into 1's complement. Into 1's complement. We have taken the binary value of 5 as 101 and I added 8 bits. I represented that 5 in the form of 8 bits because 8 bits is a 1 byte. 1 byte. Now, according to the definition, zeros are converted into 1, ones are converted into 0. Ones are converted into 0. This value I have got. This value I have got. Now I observed that the most significant bit is 1. The most significant bit is 1. So I come to know that it is a negative number. But negative numbers in computer it is stored as a 2's complement. But what is 2's complement? So this is the negative number I am writing as it is. So convert 1s into 0s, 0s into 1s. This is 1's complement. To get 2's complement, again add 1. Add 1. So whatever the result you get, this is nothing but 2's complement. 2's complement of this number. 2's complement. So what is the result of 2's complement? 2's complement is 6. 2's complement is 6. But here since it is a negative number, from here I come to know that it is a negative number, so I will add minus 6. I will add minus 5. Clear or still confusing?
Sir, what if MSB is 0?
Yes, sir. If
MSB 0 means it is a positive number.
positive,
Positive number. 1 means negative number.
then no need to keep that minus symbol, no, sir. If MSB is 0.
That we shall see with the next example. Erase this one.
Sir, do we use 16 bits also, sir, in this?
You can use 16 bits or 32 bits or 64 bits, any bit. You will get the same answer.
Okay, sir.
Well,
Yes, if I taken only 4 bits also, you will get the answer because the number is small. So, if I take only 4 bits, I got this 101, 111, only 4 bits. Now also I am getting the answer. Why I am taking 8 bits means if the number is more than 4 bits, then you have to consider 8 bits. If the number is more than 8 bits, then you have to consider 16 bits. Cleared everybody? Or still confusing? This is the confusing topic itself. Shall we see one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Now,
So take with MSB 0, I mean that question.
like convert minus 5. Minus 5 into 1's complement. Minus 5 into 1's complement. Now what is 5 in binary? 101.
101.
This is 5. This is 5, right? Now, I will represent this one in the form of 8 bits. In the form of 8 bits. In the form of 8 bits. Now, this is 5. This is number 5. But what is the question? Question is minus 5. Convert decimal minus 5 into 1's complement. Into 1's complement. Now, how the negative numbers are represented in computer memory? They are represented in 2's complement form. Getting everybody? Here, this is the number 5. It is not minus 5. It is 5. Plus 5, this one. Plus 5. Now, the given problem is minus 5. The negative numbers are stored in computer in the form of 2's complement. So, what is the 2's complement of this one? So, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. This is 1's complement. Add 1 plus 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Nothing is there means just add those numbers. This is minus 5. This is minus 5 in binary. Minus 5 means computer will store this much number. This is minus 5. Now, we have got this one. We have got this one. This is minus 5. So, convert minus 5 into 1's complement. So, now What I got? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is minus 5. Now, what is the definition of 1's complement? Convert 1s into 0s, 0s into 1. So, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. What is 1, 0, 0 in decimal? What is 1, 0, 0 in decimal?
4.
It is 4. So, 1's complement of minus 5 is equal to plus 4. 4. Like this you need to do. Like this you need to do. It is a confusing topic. Practice 1 or 2 problems. Because the question is convert to minus 5. What I have taken, this is plus 5. But I don't want plus 5. Minus 5. Negative numbers are stored in 2's complement form. So how to convert this one into 2's complement? Convert 1s into 0s into 1s, 1s into 0s, add 1. This is the number we got. This is actually minus 5. Now convert this one into 1's complement. So 1s will become 0, 0s will become 1. So here MSB is 0. So MSB is 0 means it is a positive number. So when you convert the negative number, the result will be positive. When you convert the positive number, the result will be negative. Clear that everybody or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My suggestion is
Yes, sir.
try to practice. Now I will arrange. I will show in general how we can write. In general how we can write. Like for example, if x is there, then the result will be if x is positive. If x is positive, the result will be minus x plus 1. Minus x plus 1. See the first problem. 5. What is the 1's complement of 5? We have got minus 6. Getting everybody or not? Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am writing just a formula. This is my way. Now, if x is negative, then the result will be plus of x minus 1. See the second problem. Minus 5 is equal to plus 4. So when you are converting the negative number, the number will be decremented by 1 with the opposite sign. The reverse sign will be opposite every time. If it is positive, negative. If it is negative, it is positive. So this is only for remembering. I am writing this one just for remembering what will be the expected answer if you follow that procedure. Whether you are doing correct way or not, you can use this formula. So, practice 2 to 3 numbers. This is somewhat confusing. So, starting and I told that this is confusing topic. So, anyway, time up. So, this completes operator's topic. So, tomorrow we shall discuss, next class we shall discuss precedence and order of evaluation. Precedence and order. So what is the meaning of precedence and order means? We have discussed many operators. If in a statement, if many operators are there, which operator we need to give first preference? So that we shall discuss in the next class. Precedence and order of evaluation. In this, anybody having any doubt? Other than 1's complement? Because 1's complement some might be having still doubt. Other than 1's complement, anybody having any doubt? Bitwise XOR, bit
No, sir.
left shift, right shift.
No, sir.
1's complement,
No,
even
sir.
if you have understood, try to practice 1 or 2 problems. I have taken plus 5 and minus 5. You take plus 13 and minus 13. And use that formula. Shortcut I have written, right? That use that
Yes,
formula, you will come to know whether it is correct or wrong. And I am going to convert these problems into programs later. So thank you all. Thank you for attending the class. 1 second,
Thank you,
wait
sir.
for 1 second. I download the attendance. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Meet in next class.
Thank you, sir.